Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your Audi A5. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on or the engine is running. Then, locate the MMI control panel, typically found in the center console. You will need to press the CAR button to begin accessing the vehicle's main settings. This initial step is crucial for navigating to the correct menu. Once in the main settings, use the large MMI control knob to navigate. Rotate it to highlight Setup MMI and then press the knob to select it. From the subsequent menu, scroll down until you find the Date and Time option. Again, press the control knob to confirm this selection, bringing you closer to adjusting your clock. Now you are in the Date and Time menu. You can select time to adjust the hours and minutes, or date for the day, month, and year. Rotate the MMI knob to change the desired value, for example, moving from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. After setting each part, press the knob to confirm it before moving to the next. To finalize, consider selecting time zone to ensure your clock reflects your current location accurately. For ultimate convenience, enable GPS synchronization. This feature automatically updates your time using satellite data, so you rarely need to adjust it manually. Once all settings are correct, simply exit the menu to save your changes, and your Audi A5's clock will be perfectly set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.